Introduction to Psychology, Key Concepts and Terminology. Welcome to the IS Companion on our introductory lecture on psychology. Today, we will explore some fundamental concepts and terminology that form the basis of psychological science. Understanding these terms will provide you with a foundation to delve deeper into the diverse and fascinating field of psychology. 1. Motivation. Motivation is the force that energizes and directs behavior toward achieving goals. It can be internal, such as personal aspirations or needs, or external, like environmental stimuli. For instance, the aroma of food can stimulate hunger and drive someone to eat. Motivation involves various push and pull factors that lead to persistent, goal-directed behaviors. Essentially, it is the state of an organism that propels it toward a specific objective. Internal motivation, driven by personal satisfaction or intrinsic rewards, example, curiosity, desire to learn. External motivation, influenced by external factors or extrinsic rewards, example, money, praise. 2. Intelligence. Intelligence is the ability to adapt to new situations, learn from experience, and think rationally. It represents the aggregate capacity of an individual to act purposefully and deal effectively with their environment. Intelligence encompasses a wide range of cognitive abilities, including problem solving, abstract thinking, and the ability to learn quickly. Adaptability, the capability to adjust to novel situations. Learning from experience, using past experiences to inform future actions. 3. Thinking. Thinking involves the manipulation and cognitive rearrangement of symbols such as language, images, and concepts. It is a mental process that allows us to interpret and interact with the world. Thinking enables problem solving, decision making, and the ability to understand abstract ideas. Symbols, representations like words or images used in cognitive processes. Cognitive rearrangement, organizing information in the mind to make sense of it. 4. Memory. Memory is the ability to retain, retrieve, and recall information. It involves encoding information, storing it in the brain, and retrieving it when needed. Memory is crucial for learning and for the continuity of personal identity. Encoding, the process of transforming information into a form that can be stored. Retrieval, accessing stored information when required. 5. Learning. Learning is a relatively permanent change in behavior that results from practice or experience. It encompasses a wide range of activities, from acquiring new skills to understanding complex concepts. Unlike maturation, which occurs naturally as we grow, learning requires active engagement and practice. Practice, repeatedly performing an activity to improve skill. Experience, gaining knowledge or skill through involvement in or exposure to events. 6. Maturation. Maturation refers to the genetically programmed sequences of growth and bodily changes that occur relatively independently of environmental influences. It is a natural process that leads to physical and cognitive development over time. Innate development, growth determined by genetic factors, independent of environment, occurs regardless of external conditions. 7. Perception. Perception is the process of interpreting sensory information to understand the environment. It combines sensory input with existing knowledge to make sense of the world. Without sensation, perception cannot occur, and perception without accurate sensory input can lead to hallucinations. Sensation, the raw data received from sensory organs. 8. Personality. Personality is the dynamic organization of psychophysical traits within an individual that determine their unique adjustments to their environment. It encompasses consistent patterns of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that distinguish individuals from one another. Psychophysical traits, characteristics that are both psychological and physical. Unique adjustment, how an individual uniquely interacts with their environment. 9. Attitude. An attitude is a learned, enduring predisposition to respond in a consistent manner, either favorably or unfavorably, towards objects, events, or persons. Attitudes influence how we perceive and interact with the world. Learned predisposition, acquired tendencies to respond in specific ways. Consistency, the stable nature of attitudes over time. 10. Concept. A concept is a symbolic construction that represents the common or general properties of objects and events. Concepts help us categorize and make sense of the world by grouping similar items together. Symbolic construction, mental representation of a category or idea. General properties, common features shared by items within a category. 11. Aptitude. Aptitude is the potential for achievement that can be realized through training and education. It indicates a person's ability to learn or develop skills in a particular area. Potential, the inherent ability that can be developed. Training, the process of acquiring skills and knowledge. 12. Achievement. Achievement refers to the proficiency or competence that an individual has already established. It represents the successful accomplishment of tasks or goals, often measured through performance. Proficiency, the degree of skill or competence. Established skills, abilities that have been developed and demonstrated. Understanding these key terms provides a solid foundation for exploring the field of psychology. Each concept, motivation, intelligence, thinking, memory, learning, maturation, perception, personality, attitude, concept, aptitude, and achievement plays a crucial role in shaping human behavior and mental processes. As we continue our journey into psychology, these terms will serve as the building blocks for deeper insights into the human mind and behavior. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/@ISCompanion.